Yun, so yun guys, pinost ko lang yung video saglit. And then, continue tayo. So sa last video ko napanood nyo, nag-try tayo ng patapon, no? Hindi ko maintindihan yung isa to. Medyo magulo. May rhythm. Something gano'n rhythm. And then nag-try tayo na Need for Speed Underground. Then ngayon, this time tayo natin yung isa to. Prince of Persia, hindi ko pa nalaro. So, testing natin siya. Ang alam ko, Prince of Persia, nalalaro ko lang to sa cellphone before. Sa PSP, wala ko idea kung natsura nito. Ubisoft, so same siya nung gumawa nung Assassin's Creed. Assassin's Creed. Ayan. So time check, kung mapapansin nyo, karugtong to nung last video, nung nilaro ko yung patapon na yan, 223. April 26 to 23. Okay, dire-diretso lang. Habang aking bunso itulog, tahimik ang bahay, walang maingay, so masarap mag-record ng video. The Forgotten Son, press start button. Oh, na-start ko na. Anong press start? Dapat na-start ko na. Ay, nakamigay ito na naman. Gagawa pa yan ng game data, sabi na. Save data. Skip. Skip. Wala na namang skip. Paubos ng oras ng mga cinematic game na ito eh. Wala oh. Walang skip. Wala. Ay naku po. Patagal.
As sure as winter follows fall and day turns to night, a lonely hero with the blood of kings, no mortal soul can withstand his might. This was the prophecy foretold to Ihud, mightiest of the fire spirits.
Diinan start. Wala eh. Ayaw mo skip. So bawal i-skip to.
Ihud sent his assassin to kill every man in the kingdom with royal blood, in hopes that he would prevent the prophecy.
Bilisan mo na.
My father, King Shahraman, knew nothing of Ihud or the prophecy, only that his family was under attack. Fearing for my life, he tried to hide me away. But that day, a strange apparition appeared before me.
Wala na, naubos na oras natin sa cinematic. Busit yan.
I refused to cower
Wala,
in
hindi
the
siya
face of
na-skip
danger,
guys. Skip pa
so
sana
I
eh.
seized the chance to save my family.
Wala. Okay na, ako na yan. Meron bang cinematic yan?
And followed the light to a
Ang
canyon
pwede.
on the edge of the desert.
Tada! The Canyon. No one is in the play. Okay, magandang graphics. Parang Assassin's
Who are
Creed
you?
na.
Show yourself.
Third person ang camera.
There isn't much to show, really. Not in this world.
Are you? What do you want?
I want your help. And in return, I offer mine. I know
Skip.
where to find the
Okay,
enemy.
wala talagang skip.
But why should I trust you?
If you wish to defeat your foe, you have little choice but to trust me. To learn more, you must follow me. If you can.
You must follow me if you can. Very well. So, ang movement hindi analog guys. Ito, ayan, gumala siya. Hindi siya analog. So, directional button. Navigation or directional button. Lipad. Lipad ang movement. Yan, wala ayaw. Ayaw. So, ito ang kanyang move. Jump daw X. Ano ito? Nakuha pala yun. Meron pa ba lang kanina?
These strange orbs pulse with magic. What are they?
Magic like this is common here. It binds this enchanted place together.
Ay, paano makuha yun? Nalaglag na ako. Kailangan diinan lang. Ayun na. So, dun na ako babalik. Dito nakaka-aklet siya. Pag iinan mo lang yung talon, tapos niliginan mo lang. So, medyo mahaba ito. Dapat yata tatalon muna tayo sa clip. Ayun. Galing ha? Parang Mario na kakaiba ha? Mario 3D ha?
Please follow. All will become clear in time.
Panis.
A whirlwind.
If you enter it, its magic will carry you upwards.
Doon daw ako makakaakyat gamit yung whirlwind. Ay, may na. May kukunin. Paano kunin yun? So, kailangan magstay ako sa whirlwind. Ayan, tapos tatalon ako dito. Hindi. Teka lang, paano ko kukunin yun? Challenge yun. So, magstay tayo dyan, tapos talon. Akyat. Tapos talon. Hindi nakabot. Wala hindi ko makabot. Yaman. So, okay na to guys. Kasi naka 7 minutes na tayo. Magtatry pa tayo ng isang games eh. So, yung next owner nito, continue nyo na lang ito. Teka, palalampasin ko lang dito sa kapilang pader. Napipindot ko kasi yung X eh. Yan. Okay. Down. Circle. Ang baba. So yan, okay. So yan, okay na yan. Next game. Try lang tayo ng games guys. Habang tulog yung chikiting ko, maingay. Kasi pag nagising yan, sa cellphone kasi yun nagka-tablet. Okay, so ang huli natin ay Prince of Persia. So ito, try natin ito. Mukhang maganda to eh. Nakita ko to sa YouTube eh. Ano to eh, para tong ano ba yung sa cellphone dati, may tugtog, tapos pumipindot ka na kung ano yung ipapakita niyang dapat mong i-press. So parang ganun tong isang to. So, ito green note. So bali apat lang ang pipindutin mo. May overdrive to daw. Overdrive. So red, yellow, green, blue. So yun lang. Red, yellow, green, blue. Okay. And then left, right. Quick play. Parang mabilis. Red, yellow, green, blue. Tandaan natin. Sana maramdaman ko. Lesson 1. May ganyan pa.
Hey, welcome to Rock Band Unplugged. Get ready for a new way to experience great music. In Unplugged, you'll play all 4 instruments in the same song. We'll have you jumping between instruments in no time. But first, let's get you up to speed. If you've never played a Rock Band game, start with the first set of tutorials, Rock Band Basics. If you're a Rock Band pro, jump down to the second set, Getting Unplugged. By the way, this tutorial will be using the default controls. Later on, you can change them in options.
So ito yun. Play all. Okay na siguro ako. Flying Saucers. Quick play. Random song. Easy lang, easy. Tignan natin kung kaya natin ng walang tutorial. Basta ito yan eh. Ito. Naku, baka copyright yata tayo nito. Music na nga pala to. Bahala na. Ay! Biglang nagkaroon ng blue. Lilipat ka eh. Ay, sabay. Sana hindi makapiright ito kasi music eh. Bastos. Sana, tapos na. Ay. Oh, yun, tapos na. Easy lang yung pinili ko guys kasi hindi ko pa naman ito naalala pa talaga. So sakto lang yung oras, 14 minutes. So yan ang kanyang result ng game. So kasi difficulty natin easy lang. So yun, okay na to. So bye muna for now. Mukhang magigising na yung aking bunso na. So salamat sa panonood guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video sa next gameplay natin. Next game test. Thank you, thank you.